Now I know if I ask what is 5 minus 13, half the population will crumble and malfunction. So it's about time we actually learn how to add and subtract when negative numbers are involved. And there's a song to help you remember it as well. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Now, what do the lyrics mean? When the numbers in a question are the same sign, add the numbers as you usually would, and your answer will also have that same sign. 6 plus 7, both 6 and 7 are positive, so you add 6 and 7 to get 13. Then leave 13 as positive because both 6 and 7 were positive. Minus 3 minus 10, both 3 and 10 are negative, so add 3 to 10 to get 13. And what sign will the 13 have? 13 will have a negative sign because both 3 and 10 had negative signs in front of them as well. When the numbers in a question have different signs, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number like you usually would. But when you get your answer, give your answer the sign of the bigger number. 9 minus 14, 9 is positive, 14 is negative. Different signs. So we subtract. 14 minus 9, we all know that's 5. And what sign will 5 have? 5 will have the negative sign because 14 was the bigger number in the question, and 14 was negative.